Hello you guys, it's us again. This time we did the big beehive and the devil's thumb right up the famous Lake Louise.
Yeah, say big beehive and a devil's thumb.
And I got up here very fast.
Of course you are fast.
My mom is carrying my backpack.
Yep, so I'm now carrying 5 liters of water.
And my mom is carrying her giant backpack and my backpack.
Oi, you.
My eye.
Oh, well, don't poke your eyes with the pole. Let's go.
My eye.
Mirror Lake. Ow. It says, you are here. Where are you at?
Where is us?
Read it. You're right there. And you're
going
going to go up all to that big lake that says Lake Agnes.
I want to see Lake Agnes.
Yeah.
Where's the end?
And it says Devil's Thumb. So we're going all the way that way.
I wonder what's called Devil's Thumb.
I don't know. Maybe it looks like a thumb. Okay, ready?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, that's where they come from. The taxis at that thing.
There's your falls. Now what? Drink from it?
No!
Yeah, it's a tea house. Well, you can drink tea, I guess.
Whoa. Look.
And you made it.
Lake Agnes is beautiful. The tea house was so busy, and we came in also that day of smoke from the wildfire, and still gorgeous up here. And this is halfway to the big beehive. What did you say?
Devil's Thumb, here we come. See, it does right.
Yep,
It
we're
right.
coming, aren't we? Hi.
He's so cute.
He's cute.
He's
The chubby one.
He's looking at me.
Yep.
And what do you know? He's up there. Faster than me, of course. It's always a competition with this guy. I love it though. And yep, this is the trail up to the big beehive. We did the big beehive first. And we really want to save Devil's Thumb till the end. So big beehive would be to your left when you get up to the section there where you choose which route you want to take. And if you want to just stay there and head back down, or you want to do the Devil's Thumb like we did.
I don't get this stuff.
Read it.
I can't.
It says shelter. Shelter from the storms.
The hut area would be the end of the big beehive trail. You see Mirror Lake on your left, Lake Louise on your right. And yeah, it was the perfect spot for lunch. What we did before heading out to do the Devil's Thumb. Here we go.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah,
What's this food?
I don't know. Probably from a root.
Oh!
Yeah. Go this one.
Hey.
What are you, Mario?
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
That's how Mario says let's go. He says, let's go. This way, that way. This way, that way.
Huh. Interesting.
I feel it. Ouch, I scratched me.
Slow down. Okay, look at me. That's where you're gonna be going. Do you see where you're going?
Yeah.
To your right. And then wait up top. Awesome. Okay, and then wait right up top.
That was the part where most people would turn around, but once you passed it, I would say you are good to go, and you'll see a little bit of scrambling all the way to the summit, but the tricky one here is just the trail, which is very narrow. So just keep on your right and you'll be okay.
Okay, climb.
This
Yes. Yes.
a little man.
Yeah. Keep climbing.
And yes, you can see it's a little scramble here and there, but not too crazy. Just make sure you got good shoes, hiking shoes, to help you with the packed, some loose dirt. And yeah, this is easy peasy for this guy, so you can definitely do it. And even with the smoke, they can still see the glacier, some waterfall I think over there, not really sure, but yeah,
Oh, that's very
Yeah,
small.
be careful. Right, right, right.
like I said, it's narrow.
Good, but still, we gotta make sure you're on your right, okay? And I'm very, very, what? Proud of you. You need a drink? Come here. I'll help you. This rock is scary. Okay, come on.
This is very, very loose.
Oh, look at this. You gotta use your hands in here. Okay. Give me your stick.
Hey, the dog wants to follow us.
The dog's probably faster at asking. Good. Nothing, Mary's. Oh, loose. Ooh. Whoop. Okay, go this way. Careful. Use your poles.
He's on a bush.
Let's go.
Oh no, that's a corona.
There's a kid in the bush.
I thought it was a bush.
Pay attention. Good job. Left. Good.
It's very loose, okay?
This is the challenging part of the entire trail. I would say good hiking boots with good traction and poles help definitely. Saw lots of people struggling in here, but once you passed it, summit's awesome. We summited around 11:30, started 7 o'clock in the morning. So it was a great day. Had lunch at the big Beehive before coming up here. And my boy witnessed the first summit proposal. And then asked later why was there no cake. It was a wedding, Mom. He has to learn a bit more about that. But yep, he knows his sweets. Can't blame him. And yep, he just wouldn't let go. So here we are. And there's Mount White, Mount Niblock, if I say it right, St. Piran, and there's Lake Agnes. It's beautiful despite of the smoke. It was very busy too, so you will never be alone on the trail.
Is this an awesome hike or what? Right?
I'm gonna move right there, right there.
Very nice out.
And I can do a trick that I can do something that's pretty hilarious.
Yep. Is that your Yuri pose?
Yeah.
Cool.
And show them the ground.
Yep, so this is where that pose started. And I guess we'll keep doing it in every summit. And of course, showing off how you get down. Me trying to not have a heart attack. And yep, it was a 10-hour day.
Ready?
Car to car.
Let's go.
Highly recommend you bringing poles, good hiking boots, lots of water. Even if you want to do this solo, you will never be alone in here. So busy, lots of people. And yeah, this is a fun one.
Down climb it. Okay. Awesome.
And back to Lake Agnes. And of course, at the end of the day, my boy just wanted to dip his feet to cool it off. And I don't blame him. As always, thank you guys for watching. Have fun out there. Be safe. Till our next adventure.